My dear sisters and brothers, today we have a wonderful reading where Jesus has taught his disciples the prayer which is the most renowned prayer. Practically everyone says this. But when we begin to say it every time and go deeper and deeper into it, it will envelop us and give us an experience of God Himself. Let us now look at the life of Maria Kowalska. She came up from a very poor family. She was sent to work as a domestic. And after she came, she wanted to be a nun. They refused her. But then she went and joined the sisters. And when she did join them, she was also having a lot of trouble. They would even throw holy water on her, thinking that she's not all right. But she was always humble and remained united to Jesus, who showed her Himself and the divine mercy, that He is the King of divine mercy. It is Pope John Paul II, Saint John Paul II, who canonized her in 2000 on Mercy Sunday. It's the second Sunday after Easter. Let us thank God that God has revealed His mercy, especially to those who go through suffering, provided we bring the sufferings and offer it to Him, and He will transform it, making us His very self present and being merciful to those who persecute us. That is the love of God for His lovely children. But we have not been lovely. We have been acting so inhumanly at times, without caring for others. It is in such moments that we should not get discouraged, but trust in the Lord, and He will be merciful. Let us join our hands together, close our eyes, and remain united to the Lord. At every breath, surrendering all our experiences, especially the negative ones, and not be afraid of them, because in them we carry the cross with Jesus and bring salvation to those who are in need of it by our undergoing these sorrows, pains offered to the Lord for the salvation of all.